Welcome back everyone. Today we will be doing some upgrades to the interior of my Nissan MV200. Number 1. The cabinet. Very complicated but cool. I decided to make a cabinet to be hung on the bulkhead. To be able to create furniture with irregular shapes, it's better to start from wooden strips and follow the shapes of the van, as I'm doing here. I use the method of the paperboard template to make the correct shape. The shape is then brought onto an MDF panel. I needed additional storage space, so I make use of that space that would otherwise have been difficult to use and leave good internal habitability at the same time. In the lower part it is narrower with open spaces. The lower part will be an open shelf divided into 3, while the upper part will be a closed cabinet. A good coat of paint helps keep the furniture clean and looking good. I recycle a panel left over from the construction of the kitchen to make the door. I fit a couple of solid hinges. The video lasts only a few minutes, but the work lasted many days due to the endless micro-adjustments. I love challenges, but sometimes it's a real pain in the ass. I make a hole for the push lock handle. And fit the 2 side covers. I make the cover of the lower shelf. I'm not a carpenter, but I'm still very satisfied with the result. If I did it, anyone can really do it. Mission accomplished. Number 2. Base for the rotating table. This little olive-shaped table was part of the sofa that I had recycled for making the bed. You can see the video of the bed up here or down in the description. It fits perfectly into the van, but the rotating base I made at first was a bit unstable, so the table was not horizontal. So I decided to make a new base starting from leftover pieces of very thick plywood.
Okay.
So the table is horizontal, rotating and removable when it's time to sleep. You can make your own table with a L-shaped metal rod and whatever pieces of wood or chipboard. Is very easy. Number 3. Cleaning foggy headlights. The polycarbonate of the headlights on the NV200 tends to become yellow and foggy due to the action of the sun. I know there are more definitive solutions, but as a first attempt, I will try with this product that I bought at Lidl. The product consists of 2 parts. One is a polish, the other a sealant. It's not a permanent solution as it needs to be used every few months, but for now I think it's okay. I think you can find one very similar at any hardware store. After rubbing the polish, you can see the yellow on the rag. Okay, well done, easy and quick. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope it helps as an inspiration. See you, ciao ciao!